英国有一款游泳衫叫做鲨鱼装，因为会当大大减少受水的阻力，所以去互国际比赛禁用。不过，即卖因又已经发出一款新的游泳衫，而且嘛已经得到世界水上运动总会许可。按算今年的巴黎奥运，才会选手就会当穿这款游泳衫来发展实力。
当奥运的选手穿鲨鱼型的游泳衫受水，会有啥物结果？
And it makes you feel fast. It makes everything feel easier.
鲨鱼型游泳衫是厂商 Speedo 伫2008年所推出，讲会使减少3%以上伫水内阻力。有数据显示，伫鲨鱼型游泳衫推出了后的2年内底，游泳的选手总计创新147项世界纪录。这对美国奥运金牌游泳选手菲尔普斯帮助上大。将游泳衫伫水内底拍无对手的关键，就是布料采用来保护太空卫星的大残，会发挥真好的排水的功能，让选手能受到更加紧、更加省力。
And essentially, what water repellency does and why it's so important is it does just help the water to flow as smoothly as possibly over the athlete. It makes them as smooth a shape as possible going through the water, and that's what helps to make them fast. It also stops the suit itself from absorbing any water that doesn't need to.
这款鲨鱼型的游泳衫虽然伫国大比赛创下好成绩，不过也引发所谓科技禁药一期。世界泳总的前身国际泳联伫2019年就正式下令禁止选手穿高科技的游泳衫。不过去年11月，业者讲因研发的上新一代游泳衫已经得到世界泳总的许可，未少即要参加巴黎奥运的选手拢会穿着这领件衫来参加比赛。
For me, I'm a big mental swimmer, and so if I believe that what I'm wearing is doing something special, then it will help me perform well.
重新出发的鲨鱼型游泳衫，伫今年的巴黎奥会会带来什么款的惊奇？各界拢真想要知影。公视新闻张慧敏编译。